Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This video we discuss knowledge about blood. All of you watch video till to end. It's very useful to all competitive exams. Like video, share to your friends. If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe. Let's start. Question number 1.
Which is known as river of life?
Answer: blood.
The total blood volume in an adult.
Answer: 5 to 6 liters.
Blood circulation was discovered by.
Answer: William Harvey. The normal blood cholesterol level.
Answer: 150 to 250 mg by 100 ml. The pH value of human blood is
Answer: 7.35
to 7.45. The normal blood cholesterol level.
Answer: 150 to 250 mg 100 ml. Plasma protein fragmentation as an active role in.
Clotting of blood. The fluid part of blood is.
Answer: plasma. Plasma proteins maintain the blood pH. Albumins. Plasma protein globulins function as.
Answer: antibodies.
Biconcave disease shaped blood cell. Answer:
RBC.
erythrocytes. Non-nucleated blood cell.
RBC.
Erythrocytes.
Respiratory pigments present in RBC.
Answer: hemoglobin.
Red pigment present in RBC, red blood cells.
Answer: hemoglobin.
RBC produced in the.
Answer: bone marrow.
Protein containing pigment of hemoglobin.
Answer: globin. Graveyard of RBC. Answer: spleen.
Blood bank in the body.
Answer: spleen.
Lifespan of RBC.
Answer: 120 days.
Total count is measured by an instrument known as.
Hemocytometer.
A decrease in RBC count is known as.
Anemia.
An increase in RBC count is known as.
Answer. Polycythemia. The disease resistant blood cell.
WBC.
Leukocytes. A high concentration of bilirubin in the blood causes. Answer. Jaundice. Which WBC is known as soldiers of the body? Neutrophils.
Largest WBC.
Answer. Monocyte. A hereditary bleeding disease. Answer.
Hemophilia. Smallest WBC.
Lymphocytes.
Antibodies producing WBC.
Answer. Lymphocytes.
Lifespan of WBC.
10 to 15 days.
Blood cell performs an important role in blood clotting.
Thrombocytes. Platelets.
Vessels is called
Thrombus. Anticoagulant present in blood. Answer. Heparin. Bleeder's disease. Hemophilia. A type of anemia with sickle shaped RBC. RBC means red blood cells. Answer. Sickle cell anemia. Viscosity of blood.
4.5 to 5.5. Instrument used to measure hemoglobin.
Answer. Hemoglobin meter. Who demonstrated blood groups? Answer. Karl Landsteiner.
Christmas disease.
Hemophilia.
Blood group which is called universal donor.
Answer. O group. Blood group which is called universal recipient.
Answer AB.
Blood group is most common among the Asians. Answer.
B.
Thank you viewers. All of you like video, share to your friends and near and dear ones. Thank you. Thank you very much.